Hey everybody, it's Sissy. Today I'm back with the Dollar Tree haul and an unboxing. A nice company on Amazon. Saw one of my videos where I was complaining about my glue gun, and they have sent me a glue gun to try. It's a, the model name is Monvict, M-O-N-V-I-C-T glue gun, and it's not cordless per se, but the cord can be detached after it heats up, and it'll got a nice flat bottom so it will sit up. And they included it's the gun and the cord, and they included some glue sticks, I think 12 glue sticks, and some finger protectors. But I'll put a link to this in my Amazon link to Amazon in the description box for this glue gun. I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to be trying it out this week, and I'll let you know what I think of it. But thank you to Aiden, I believe his name was Aiden, at the company, who sent me the nice email, and then they sent me the glue gun. And I'll put all their information in the description box, and then I'll let you know how I like this glue gun, because y'all know I have been searching for a glue gun. And this one, I know the one thing that it does have going for it, just out of the package, is that it sits up on its own. It won't fall over. I won't have to be sticking it in the glass and everything. So that was great, and I thank them for sending it. They're not paying me for this video, but they did send me the glue gun at no charge. But let's get straight into this Dollar Tree haul. As some of y'all know, my sister and I, we went on a little low-key vacation to kind of de-stress a little bit, and we hit some stores at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So most of this stuff came from Myrtle Beach. This is not from my local Dollar Tree. But anyway, I got a great big bag here, and then I have a bag on the floor too. So let's get going. Go through it kind of quick so this video won't be hours long. I found another one of these little sequin pillows. This is the mermaid rainbow on one side and the silver on the other side. And the other one that I had, I put a little sublimation print on the silver side for her puppy. I think her puppy's name is Niblet, and it's Queen Niblet sleeps here. So I made her a pillow, and she has another little dog named, what is that? Niblet, Mousy. So this is going to be for Princess Mousy. I'm going to fix that for them, and if you're interested in see how I do that, it's really simple. I'll do a video if you're interested. But anyway, I got that, and then I found this beautiful orb ball decoration. It's really pretty on its own, but my sister saw it, and she's moved into, or she's buying my mom's house. She's buying my half of it, but anyway, she wanted me to pour paint on this to match her bedroom, so I'm going to try to do a twofer and put this on a canvas and then pour the paint on it and see what kind of design we get on the canvas. So y'all stay tuned for that. And it's going to be in purples because she loves purple. But this has all these great little ridges and grooves in it, so I think it'll do something interesting with the paint. And then I picked up, I think, 3 of these aroma diffusers. Sad to say, it was a waste of $3. I tried one of them out. I wasn't impressed, and I would not repurchase it. It has a little fan in the bottom. You put some essential oil on the pad and then turn the fan on. It doesn't really put out that much scent, and mine, the batteries died really quick, so not a great purchase for me. But I mean, if you just want one to have on your desk and use every now and then, maybe a lot of work for you. But I put it in my bathroom, and it virtually did nothing. So then I found these cute little candy dishes with the lids. I thought this would be cute for Christmas, or maybe for a DIY. So I picked up 2 of those. I've never seen these in my local Dollar Tree, so I got those. And I'm missing a lid. Oh, there's the lid. And I mean, just looking at them from afar, you can't tell they're plastic. So that was great. Oh, there's another diffuser. Let's put that over there. And then I picked up these 2 tumblers. These are really cute. These would be great if you have a whiskey drinker in your family. You could gift him with a couple of these and maybe a little bottle of whiskey or a decanter. But these were really cute. So I picked up 2 to go on my wine bar. And I don't know what, these are not a Greenbrier product. They are Cristar. Anyway, they got a nice weight to them, and they're nice and thick, so I thought that was a good deal. And then I picked up a 3-pack of the funnels. These are great to have just around the house, or if you're going to pour paint. I thought I might try pouring paint through one of them and see what I can do. And then I picked up a pack of pens because I never seem to have a pen when I need one. These are the 8 click pens, and these are all different colors, sorted inks, so that's kind of fun. I picked those up. And those would be a great little gift put with some of the notepads from Dollar Tree if you want to do inexpensive gifts. I know we all got to be watching our money in these uncertain times. And then I picked up a pack of the sponges, the 6-pack. This is my favorite sponges. This lasts me 6 weeks. I use one for a week and throw it away. I can't stand it when you scrub something and it gets bits and pieces in the scrubby part. I can't stand that, so they last a week and then I throw them away. And then I got some cool socks. These are the women's athletic no-show socks, 3 pairs, and these are really nice. They're thin, they're very comfortable. Most socks irritate my toes because they have such a thick seam on the toes. These have a really minimal seam, so they don't really rub on your toes that much. So I picked those up. I thought I had another pack, but it's not in this bag. And then I picked up this multi-use scarf, one size fit most, the red, white, and blue. It's 95% polyester, and it's 11.8 times 9.5. These are great to use. It shows all the different ways down here. You can use it as a face mask, though I don't know how much protection that would give you. You can use it just around your neck, or a headband, or a hairband, or a hair tie, a blindfold, a hat liner, or a wristband. So I thought it was really cute. I purchased this while we were at the beach because I had a red, white, and blue top, and I thought I might use this because it was really windy. But I stuck it in the bag and never got it out the car. So. But anyway, I'll have it. Then I found another one of these water picture frames. So the back comes off easily, and you can put in your own picture. So, but it does have a nice little saying. It says "Life is the adventure," with the little hearts in it. So I picked up another one of those. And then I picked up the Crafter Square wood shapes. I thought these were really cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. I was thinking maybe I could do something for Christmas with them, but we'll have to wait and see. And then I picked up this great picture with the flowers on it. It's really cute. I'm going to do a DIY with this and this metal love sign. This is just a decor piece. I think it's by Greenbrier. Yes, I thought this was really cute. Kind of goes with the frame, so I'm kind of Frankenstein them together and see what I can make. And let's see. I found this great coffee mug. It says, "The best therapist has fur and 4 legs." So, and I know that's the truth. I couldn't have gotten through this year without my fur babies. Okay, and then let's see. I finally found one of the silicone facial mask applicators. That's not what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to use it for decoupage. I saw a video where a lady used this to smooth out the wrinkles when she got the Mod Podge on there, and it worked really well, and I never can get the wrinkles out, so I'm going to try decoupage one more time with this. And then I picked up some hand sanitizers. These had been out for so long, they finally got them back, and I found one for me with a little llama. So that one's for me, and then I picked up a couple for my friends at work. I got the coconut lime scented and the cucumber melon, and these are antibacterial hand gel sanitizers. These are not the ones that were recalled, or these are not the ones that's anything's wrong with them. They have the 62% alcohol in them. So this is better than not having hand sanitizer. So we got those. And then I picked up 2 of the, I hadn't seen these before. It's the wired jute cord, 7.5 feet. So I picked that up. That'd be great to make little bows that you want to keep their shape, and so you can tie it out of that and do the ends just the way you want. Then I picked up this car wheel brush. I'm sure it's very nice for cleaning your wheel covers or hubcaps or whatever they're called, but I got this to do like the crevices in my car when when you're vacuuming and you can't get that sand out or whatever. It's really sandy around here. So I thought this would be great to kind of brush it into the center so I could vacuum it up better. So pick that up, and it's really good sturdy bristles. And I did pick up one of the Bolero moisturizing and hydrating facial mask. I have just about given up on Bolero products, but I thought I would give this one a try. So I'll let y'all know. I've had no luck with the bath salts or the body gel or anything like that. None of it has any scent. Once I open it and go to use it, the scent is gone. You can smell it out of the bottle, but that's no good for me. Then I picked up this bingo game set. This would be cute to put in a little stocking stuffer for some kids, or I was going to try to do a DIY with it, but it's a crazy idea in my head. And if it works, y'all will see it, and if y'all don't, somebody will be getting that in a Christmas package. And then I picked up some more of the Prang paint. I made sure not to get the washable one because that will not work on the paint pour. So this is... but this is tempera paint, and I saw someone who did pour with it, so I'm going to give it a try. And let's see what else. Then I got some batteries, the super heavy duty e-circuit batteries. And then, oh, I'm almost missing one of my favorite things here. I picked up this cute little dish, trinket dish. Looks kind of like a puppy, or you can say it's a llama if you want to. I'm saying it's a llama, and I'm going to use it to put my jewelry in on my nightstand. Let me get my other bag. Don't worry, y'all. It's just a few more things in here, and then we'll be done. Okay, this is my favorite thing that I found. It is the Love is a Four-Legged Word, and it's got the 2 puppies and the kitty in it. It's so cute. And we tried to find another one for my sister, and the only one we could find was broken. So I'm still on the lookout and see if I can find one for her. But I grabbed this one for me. And this is a Greenbrier product, and I just thought that was adorable. So I'm going to hang that on my wall at my office. And then I found this cute little, it's supposed to be for makeup, I think, makeup case. I thought it would just be great to sort out some craft supplies or to put a current jewelry project in or something like that. It snaps together pretty good. So, and they had them in different colors, but that would be cute for a little girl for Christmas to put some assorted makeup. And if you buy the Dollar Tree makeup, a lot of it doesn't really have much color, so that might be a choice for you to give to a little girl who wants to put on makeup, but you don't actually want her to be made up. So that would be a good idea. And then I got a spray bottle. I always get my spray bottles from Dollar Tree because, I mean, it's $1, and anywhere else, this is like $1.77 at Walmart sometimes. And I picked up a Sharpie, just a plain black Sharpie, so that was a good deal. And I got the 3-in-1 cotton set to put with my makeup. It's the cotton balls, cotton swabs, and cotton pads. That's just a good thing. And the storage container is really neat to have when you get through. So it's like a 2-for-1 value. Or it's a 3-in-1, and then I made it a 2. So would it be a 5-in-1 or something like that? I don't know. And I picked up, these are my favorite clips. These are great for chip bags, any kind of bag you want to seal up. It's great to clip your, like if you want to hang up your skirts or your pants, or you want to clip a scarf to an outfit. This is a great thing to use. I don't like the plastic ones because they break, and the little jagged plastic will get you. And then I picked up 2 of these tin or aluminum foil pans. These are really good pans. They are very sturdy. They're much more sturdy than the just regular silver ones you get. So I went ahead and picked these two up for Thanksgiving, so I can have my disposable pans and I don't have to wash dishes. So I try to cook everything in a disposable pan so I don't have to spend the whole afternoon washing dishes when dinner's over. But I guess our Thanksgiving this year is going to be mighty small. There's not many of us left, but we're going to have a big dinner anyway. Then I picked up this Smart Care Fisher Price baby wipes. These are great. I use these, and I think these are aloe vera and chamomile. Usually I get, but they're paraben free, alcohol free, fragrance free, and chlorine free. So I use these to wipe the little corners of my puppy's eyes or wipe their ears out. And sometimes when I can't find a makeup wipe, I will wipe my face with them, but I try only use makeup wipes. Last thing, and it is a boring thing. It is just foam balls, floral foam balls. I saw a tree in Hobby Lobby. It was a really potted plant, and it looked like a lilac tree. It was really pretty. My sister liked it, so I'm going to try to make her one, and you will see a video of that because I think I've got just about all the stuff. And it's a really cute thing, and you can do one for Christmas. It can be done for any season of the year, so I'm going to give that a try. But anyway, that's it. That's my Dollar Tree haul, y'all. It's good to be back. I've got a lot of videos coming up, so I hope y'all stay tuned. And thank you to everybody who helped me reach 20,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. I can remember the day that I got 100 subscribers. I was just ecstatic. So you can imagine how I feel now. But thank you, everybody, for being there for me. And I'm going to be there for you and try to get some more videos out before Christmas. But anyway, y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.